Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful spring day today. I'm going to be repairing a Bebop drone today. Sadly, I took it out for a maiden voyage. It was my first time flying a drone, and I crashed it within the first 3 seconds and broke a leg off of it. So I ordered the parts online, and I'm gonna try and repair it myself. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna go up and get ready to do that. In the meantime, enjoy this spring day with me. Alright, so as I mentioned, I busted up my drone in its maiden voyage. I took it out and literally I was flying it for about 3 seconds before I crashed it. What I didn't do, rookie mistake, I didn't check to see if the battery was fully charged, and apparently it wasn't, and the second it took off, it dropped down to the ground like a sack of potatoes, and I broke one of the legs right here. So if you can see, this one's whole, right? And this one is non-existent. It should look like this one, and it's gone. It completely broke off. And so I'm gonna attempt a repair today, even though I've never done this, but that's what YouTube is for, right? So I checked a couple of YouTube videos, and I purchased a couple of things that I'm gonna need. I purchased an RC toolkit, and basically this kit is sold to repair the Parrot Bebop drones. And I purchased a leg kit from Parrot, and I'm gonna try to do this repair. It's my first time, so let's give it a shot. I'm gonna use this box here as kind of my table, and I'm gonna turn this upside down and we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, so according to the video, the first thing I have to do is remove this screw right here. These pieces are very small, so you wanna make sure you put them aside in the right place. I'm gonna need the screw again, so I don't want to lose that. So I'm gonna put that right there. And this is the broken piece, so I'm gonna throw this broken piece away. I don't know if I can salvage this antenna yet. So we'll see. First we're gonna open this up and see what we've got inside the kit. It has the individual feet, which is what I'm going to put on here. It comes with another set of stoppers, and it comes with a small set of screws. And then this is going to slip into one of the feet right there. This is harder than it looked on the video for sure. And then the screwdriver goes down into the leg, and you try to screw it down into place. Yeah, it looks like it snaps right off. It's missing a rubber piece here, so I'm going to actually put that aside and use one of the ones that came with the kit. There we go. Alright. And now this, so then I feel like I need to snap this into place. That feels like it's good. I need the little rubber stoppers, and then I'm going to put that into the hole right there. As such. And I believe my drone repair is complete. This was, I think, a pretty basic drone repair. I think everything else is intact and in place, so I think the only thing left is to take it outside and give it a whirl. I'm in a local park. I don't know if you can see the drone right there behind me, and I'm gonna see if it worked. That was the first time I ever, I think, repaired anything, so let's give this a shot and let's see what happens. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm back home. I am downloading the footage off of here, but I have to charge the battery because the battery completely died. And so that's charging, and as soon as it charges, I'll get the footage off of here. I'll load it up onto the laptop. The first day, not bad. What I was pretty impressed with this drone is how easy it was to actually fly. It's a simple app. The app connects to here via Wi-Fi, so you connect your iPhone or your Android to the drone via Wi-Fi, and then in the app you fly it. And it was pretty simple in that, there's a button that says take off. You hit the button and it raises up about 3 feet off of the ground and hovers there waiting for your further command, which is pretty simple. And then it has 2 controllers on the iPhone itself, and you can go back, forward, side to side. The camera turns on to start recording as soon as it gets in the air, which is great because you don't have to remember, and then you fly for however long and then you forget that you didn't hit record, which would be horrible, especially if you're traveling and you're trying to get some good footage. The battery died quick, and I'm talking about I probably got about 10 to 15 minutes. Now they say a half hour. Maybe it's the battery, maybe I haven't used it a lot, maybe it's got a prime, but it did not last a very long time at all. So I'm probably gonna end up buying another battery or 2 if I'm gonna be out and about and I wanna get, a decent amount of footage. But luckily I got them on Amazon and they were like 25 bucks or something like that. But very easy to use. When you're done, you hit land and it slowly lowers itself and lands for you. You don't even have to do it. What I don't know yet is how far I can fly, how far it will go before it disconnects with the Wi-Fi. And where I was, the park I was in, I was scared to fly it over the road because I didn't want it to fall in the street and then hit a car or have somebody drive over it or I don't know, whatever. So I was very careful with it. I made sure I stayed within the range. I am not comfortable or familiar with any of the drone flying laws as to where you can fly, where you can't. So I'll have to do a little bit of research on that. But overall, great first day. I'm really excited to show you the footage. It was a cloudy day. I don't know what the footage is gonna look like, but the fact that I flew it, first day, thumbs up. I'm really excited about it. Hey, I really appreciate you guys spending another afternoon with me. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you all next week.